This is stock number 79899, a 2006 Chevy Avalanche. Four-wheel drive, exterior color is black. Options, you got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power driver's seat, light controls, four-wheel drive controls, rear dome light and fog lights, cruise control, stereo controls and hands-free communication. Comes equipped with OnStar, AM/FM radio with CD player, dual zone climate controls, cup holders, center console doubles as a seat. Upholstery is cloth, color is gray. Comes equipped with tube running boards, 16-inch rims, fender flares, trailer tow package, plastic bed liner. Options, you got power side windows, 40/60 bench split seat, built-in armrest and cup holders. Seats fold down for extra cargo storage. Once again, this is stock number 79899, a 2006 Chevy Avalanche, four-wheel drive, exterior color is black.